When I wake up, well, I know I'm gonna be the man who wakes up next to you. And when I go out, yeah, I know I'm gonna be the man who goes along with you. And when I come home, yeah, I know.
Therefore, it is my joyful responsibility to officially acknowledge your union as husband and wife. You may now seal your marriage with a kiss.
Well, I know I'm gonna dream.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is my privilege to present you to the very first time as husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Gregg and Lindsay.
Congrats, Greg and Lindsay. Great reception. Everything's great. Love you guys.
Congrats. Love you guys. Cheers.
From outer space to the Mercantile here in Mount Sterling. Congratulations, guys.
Happy wedding day, Greg and Lindsay. You're the perfect couple. Wish you all the best.
You guys are a beautiful couple. You're both in your final form, and when you link, good things will happen. Rare things will happen. I love you.
Congrats, Greg and Lindsay. You're going to have a wonderful life together.
Congratulations, you two.
Congratulations.
Lonely without you. And if I grow, well, I know I'm gonna be the man who's growing old with you. But I would walk 500 miles, and I would walk 500 more just to be.
Hey you guys, super happy for you. You're making this beautiful bride and groom ever. Made us cry. Good luck to you guys. Party goes on.
Congrats, guys. Lindsay, you look beautiful. And of course, I cried because I always cry.
Congratulations, you guys. I love you both. I hope you have a long, happy marriage full of love and laughter.
Well, congratulations on your marriage, guys. I wish you the best. Browns still suck, but that's regardless of the fact. I hope you all live long, prosperous lives, grow together, do all your stuff together. Just don't take it for granted.
Congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Clout, Lindsay and Greg. It's been a great wedding. Wish you the best of luck.
Best wishes, Greg and Lindsay. Enjoy your married life. Cheers.
When I wake up, well, I know I'm gonna be the man who wakes up next to you. And when I go out, yeah, I know I'm gonna be the man who goes along with you. And when I come home, yeah, I know I'm gonna be the man who's coming home to you. And when I'm dreaming, well, I know I'm gonna dream about the time when I'm with you. But I would walk 500 miles, and I would walk 500 more, just to be the man who walked 1,000 miles.
Hey, Greg and Lindsay, you guys look swell today. No, wait, hold on. All right, Greg and Lindsay, love you. Beautiful wedding. Everything turned out great.
Congratulations, guys. Lindsay, you look beautiful. And I'm so happy to be celebrating your day with you. I love you guys.
Hey, Greg and Lindsay. First off, just want to say congratulations. Awesome ceremony, awesome wedding. Just wishing you guys the best of luck in this next chapter of your lives. Again, congratulations and cheers.
Sorry, Greg, you look beautiful too.
Love you both. Great time. Sorry about the rain. Congratulations.
I love you, baby girl, and it was beautiful no matter what the weather.
Keep on going.
Congratulations, Greg and Lindsay. I'm so glad that this day finally came, and I'm so glad to have another sister in the family, and I hope you can deal with all of us crazies, and I love you. And we want more babies.
Hey, I know you guys you finally made it, and I know it's going to be the best time of your life, and make the most of it, and just do the right thing. Love you guys.
Oh my God. glad I could be here with you today. I've loved every minute of it. All best wishes for the future. Love you.
Love you both. If you don't make some bad decisions on a honeymoon, I'm gonna be real offended. So I'm gonna need y'all to do it right. Holla.
Hi, Greg and Lynn. Thank you so much for a beautiful wedding. Just wishing you lots of love and happiness and lots of babies. Love you. Congratulations, Greg and Lindsay.
Oh, my little baby boy, Gregory. Yeah, Mary Lindsay. It's so awesome. We love you so much. We're the together thing. And Erica has something to say. Yay, Greg. Yay, Lindsay. That's very close.
All right, guys. Today was the best day in the world. Your wedding. I just want to say congratulations. We love you guys. Happy anniversary. Happy honeymoon. Let's party.
Just want to say congratulations to Greg and Lindsay. You guys are beautiful people.